Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering up and getting ready. Hold the power button for about 2 seconds to turn the Xm4 on, then press and hold again to enter pairing. Once done, open the Sony Headphones Connect app so you can complete setup faster. The app handles codecs and initial updates. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is discoverable. Select WH1000 Xm4 from the list and confirm pairing. This establishes the secure connection that enables adaptive sound controls and firmware updates. Once paired, you'll configure how the headphones behave. Open the app and enable adaptive sound control so the Xm4 adjusts noise canceling based on activity. This gives you automatic situational awareness. Next, map the custom button and set quick attention for instant ambient sound. Press and hold to talk without removing headphones. Then, fine-tune the equalizer and select LDAC if your device supports it for higher quality audio. Make sure to apply settings and test by playing a familiar. You finish by checking firmware and testing every function. Run a firmware update in the app, try the microphone with a call, and enable multipoint if you use 2 devices. For daily care, store the Xm4 in the case, keep them dry, and avoid heat to protect the battery and seals. If something goes wrong, perform a simple sequence. Power off, forget the device on your phone, then repair. If persistent, reset the headphones to factory defaults in the app. This resolves most quirks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.